Alright, this is station 2, which is I can interpret scenarios and build equations still. So now we're looking at equations and word problems and how we can create the equations from the word problems. So the first problem says, rent a DVD charges a rental fee of $2 per DVD. So I see that per word again, plus a $5 mixed or fixed monthly fee. So they want you to use D to represent the number of DVDs rented. Write an equation to answer the question below. So we're dealing with costs. So we're going to have C for cost equals, and this one we're dealing with DVDs. So your cost depends on how many DVDs you buy. So we know that it's $2 per DVD plus the $5 for the fixed fee every month. So in this equation, the constant is the 5, which represents the fixed monthly fee. The variable, the letter that we're using, is D, which represents the number of DVDs. And the coefficient is the number that's attached to the variable, or the letter, and that's 2, and that's the cost per DVD. Or we can actually say rental fee. Let's look at the next one. So you order party favors online. The favors each cost $6. So there's a cost of $6 for each favor that you buy, and you have a fixed shipping fee of $11.50. So another couple keywords, fixed and fee, also seem to be attached to when we deal with the constant term. So they don't have the letter next to them in most cases. So your equation, again, we're dealing with cost. So we want to use F to represent the number of favors that you purchased. So C is cost. How much does it cost for each favor? Each favor is $6. You're taking 6 and you're multiplying it by the number of favors. So that's how you write it when you do variables and letters. So 6 times F plus the $11.50, which is the fee that you initially are charged. So the constant is that fixed fee, which is $11.50. And that represents the shipping fee. The variable F represents the party favors. It's the number of favors you've purchased. This symbol is a symbol for number. And the coefficient is always attached to the variable. It's a number in front. So the coefficient of F is 6, which represents the cost per favor. Alright, now our last problem is multiple choice. So a geologist charges a one-time fee. So there's that fee, and then this time we have one time, which is like another way of knowing that this is probably going to be our constant. And so they charge us for coming to your house, and they charge you $4 per sample of dirt that she's testing around your house for toxins. What is the correct equation to model what the geologist charges? So we know there's a one-time fee, and we're adding $4. So I know I can do some elimination here. This has no adding in it, and this has no adding in it. So now you have to ask yourself, are we multiplying the number of dirts by 4, or the per sample of dirt by 4, or are we multiplying it by 50? And if you look at the wording, it says it's $4 per sample of dirt. So that means that the 4 should be your coefficient of your variable. So that should be B.